Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. Anne is here again. Say hi.
Hi.
Because every time we have a kind of mystery thing, she loves to see it also, so that's why she's here with me. And again, I have another unboxing to do, and this is from Purpose Driven Essential. I saw this once in YouTube, and I forgot what channel is that. I'm so sorry, but I really like the content in it. So that's why I decided to subscribe, and this is just one time subscription that I did. So I want to share this to you guys, and again, this is from Purpose Driven Essential. So let's see what's inside. I already just opened the tape here, but I still don't really see what's inside. Nice. I'm excited already. And I believe, so this is an April kit. And I believe the things that was written here is what are the things that you would be able to see what's inside. So I won't read everything because it's kind of long. So we'll just see what's inside.
What is that?
This is a card. It says Purpose Driven Essential. So it's like their calling card, I think, or it's a website card. So it's from Purpose Driven Essential. And I also have here, let's get creative with our Bible study. Now there's a kit that has everything you need to creativity dive into the Word of God. So it's just like basically telling you what this kit all about. So it's nice. This one, I really love this one. I'm so happy to get this one. It's a 365 devotional for women. That's why I did purchase this one, because I find out last time when I saw it in YouTube, they have a book for women. So I really like anything that is involved about the Word of God, and most especially this one. This is really really helpful for me. Like I would really have a devotional already. And this one says here, this is a 365 devotional that says God hears her. Jump in and be inspired by the story of Hannah in 1 Samuel, of one woman's personal heartache and trust in the one who could fulfill her desires. She poured her heart out to God, and He heard her. What a great way to start your day. Yeah, it's very nice to start your day reading and be inspired by this book. I'm so excited for this book. Okay, so next. So it's just about the information whom you're going to connect with. So there's some information here. And this one, see?
Oh, wow.
You can see this in Michael's and everything, but that's one thing also that I'm really happy to really purchase this one, because it's more about the art thing, about my Bible most especially. So I think this is it says here ephemera pack. So we have the ephemera pack from All People, All Nations. Yeah, All People, All Nations. So this is one of the ephemera pack that they had, which is so cute. I really love it. I really like anything about the faith things. So basically, most likely this is what you see inside. But again, I'll just open and let you see briefly what's inside, because it's different if you would really see what's inside. So
What is
this one, so there are so many little things in there.
Ooh, that's pretty.
So it says Spirit lead me, and a little crossed here. It's crossed here, and this Peacemaker. Some. So these are the things in here. It says hand in hand. So there's so many cute in there. Cute things in there.
It's a nice color.
Yeah. So see, this is really nice. Using all these things, I'm so excited to use this in my Bible art journaling. So again, there's I don't know how many, 32 pieces. It says 32 pieces inside. So see, that's why I like this kind of subscription, because it's more about the Bible. Really, it's really more about the Bible, that there's for your art thing as well. So that's why I like it. And of course, you have a tape. I think this is a Christian song, and says "One step away, oh my soul." This is nice. See, that's why I really love this. Everything in here, I love it. Another thing is this one. This is a Cascade Meadows. I think this is the one that is a, this is a tea. The Beach House tea from Cascade Meadows. Yeah, see? They give us a tea as well.
A pen.
And this one is a,
What is it?
it's like a crayon kind of pen. Neat. Nice, right?
Yeah.
I think this is here. No, it doesn't state because it's so long, so we cannot. But basically, I think this is a crayon, and can make that one. And another one is this one, the April. I don't know what's PDI, but many inspire. So it's like, so this is what you see inside. Oh, it's like a journal thing. You see? So you can journal and do something in it inside. This is nice. This is so cute. This is very cute. So see, it has different. This is very nice. I really loved it. So it's kind of thin here, but you can, yeah, but you can change it and change it into a thicker one. So I can improvise more of this one, but this is really nice. I loved what's inside. It's like a journal thing. So nice. Another thing, there's a sticker.
That's
So
so
nice. There's a sticker here. There's so many stickers. I love it. There's so many stickers, which I really love. The stickers and all the sayings there. Stickers that has words is my favorite, and most especially it's about faith. So here, it's one of those. Another stickers is this one. They included a Happy Easter's stickers combination with spring there. So cute.
Oh, there's a bunny.
Yeah, cute, right? And the stickers, another stickers. There's so many stickers here. So this one of the stickers.
I think they.
And another one. I think, yeah, maybe this is one.
It's a
So in
puzzle.
order to
Or something.
fit it, that's why they just cut it out.
It's like a puzzle.
It's cute, right?
Yeah.
So I think that's it. What's inside, again, this is worth $32, but for me, since I love everything inside, it's worth it. There's a Christian CD, there's ephemera, and there's some stickers and crayons and tea, and most especially this one, my most favorite one, my devotional 365. So I'm so excited about this one. So that's it for this unboxing video, guys. I hope you like the video, and if you like to subscribe, you just have to check the website. I will link it down below. And hope to see you next time. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for those who have supported us. We really appreciate you and hope to see you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.